As educators, we're essentially professional presenters. We present to students, to parents, and sometimes to other educators as well.
That's true. Students are often the hardest to please amongst these audiences.
And why is that?
Well, unlike workshops or meetings where the audience is there because they want to be there, students are often there because they have to be.
That's true, and it's why we must be engaging and creative presenters if we want to get our point across.
Hi, I'm Bel.
And I'm Leena.
We're part of Canva's Design School, and today we'll be sharing some awesome classroom presentation hacks and resources that will not only captivate, but wow your students.
But also significantly cut down your prep time and maybe even change the way you teach.
We'll be releasing new videos on this channel
every week, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss one.
So Leena, before Canva became a thing, how long did it take for you to make presentations?
It took me an eternity. Honestly, how about you?
Oh, maybe even more than that. It was really time consuming.
I know, but with Canva's templates, you can make a presentation within minutes.
Yes, let me show you how. With more than 1,000 education themed templates, whatever style you need in your classroom, there's something there for you. Leena, give me a theme.
I want to give you something hard. How about sustainable development goals?
Whoa, okay. Thankfully, customizing templates is super quick and easy, and something like SDGs is a good example.
Thank you.
Because many of the templates come preloaded with facts and stats you can use, simply edit the text by double-clicking on it, add graphics and photos from the Elements tab, and you can even add animation to text or images using the animation button.
Wow, that's looking pretty amazing already. In your opinion, how important is the aesthetics to a classroom presentation?
Well, I would say very important, especially in a virtual classroom. In a virtual space, students are looking at a screen instead of a physical presenter, and it's important that what they're seeing strongly supports and enhances the learning experience.
I agree, and adding to that, visuals like photos, videos, and charts are more likely to be seen than words that deliver the same message.
That's right. In Canva, you can also add and customize charts to better communicate data. You can find this under the Elements tab or just type charts on the search bar.
I know videos are valuable learning tools too. It's a way for students to see and hear information, which further enriches the learning experience.
Definitely. You can also upload and add your own videos here. You can embed videos from other websites like YouTube or add fun GIFs from Jiffy. You can do this by clicking on the More option, that's the 3 dots on the Editor side panel.
Awesome. I've got FOMO just sitting here watching.
Well, I can share it with you with this button, and you can make changes to the design at the same time from any device.
I can leave comments, resolve suggestions, and make changes to the design all inside the editor.
It's a great way to show other teachers what you have done, give feedback, or maybe even approval if you need it.
So we've done all the customizations and perfected our templates. How do we present?
It's really easy. You can present directly from Canva. Under the presentation option, you can further enhance how your presentation will look. You can also choose to manually move the slides yourself or set them to move forward automatically.
I always use the presenter view. This shows a screen to view your notes, a timer, and a preview of the upcoming slides.
No more messy note cards or papers to help you remember what you need to say. It's all right here in front of you. Here's a question for you. What do you think makes a great, memorable presentation?
Well, aside from being well prepared, aesthetically pleasing, and aligned with the learning goals, to be more memorable, I believe every classroom presentation should have the elements of fun and surprise.
Definitely. You can add those in Canva too. While you're presenting, you can use magic shortcuts to engage your students.
As in magic with tricks?
Uh-huh. If you want to start your presentation with some drama, press U to show a curtain call. Hit C for a burst of confetti. Press D from a drum roll to build suspense. Click O to show bubbles. And even refocus a distracted class by pressing Q.
Those are super cool. I can imagine using the confetti rain a lot when students give correct answers. And perhaps the bubbles would be a great way to prompt students to think more instead of saying they've given the wrong answer. I personally love the blur one by pressing B.
Yep, it focuses their attention on you.
Oh, we haven't mentioned the timer yet.
Oh yes! Press the numbers 1 through 9 and a timer will appear. Perfect for giving a section a specific time limit.
It's great for timing group work and games too. The students really appreciate knowing how much time they have left, and it adds a certain tension to the room.
If you want to shake things up, another novel way of conducting a class is through Canva Live.
Students can join your live class by entering a 6-digit PIN. They can discuss, respond to questions, and interact in real time with your learning content in a live chat.
It's definitely something worth trying. I've seen how students get excited with the interaction.
Yep, varying how you do things in class and exposing your students to different ways of learning, that's always good.
For sure, Leena. And it helps us too as educators when we try new ways of teaching. It sharpens us and helps us discover what we're good at and what we need to improve.
I think all educators will agree the area that needs the most improvement is the amount of time we spend with prep time, especially if it's unpaid, right?
So right.
So many teachers are overworked and experience burnout.
Yeah, that's why it's been Canva's mission to help make prep time shorter and lighter for teachers. Another way to radically cut prep time is by creating talking presentations.
Oh yes, show us how.
Just go to the recording studio to set up your camera and microphone.
Don't forget, at any time, you can pause and resume your recording effortlessly, changing slides and record as you go. Something I wish I'd known early on.
You weren't trying to get it perfect all in one go, were you?
Maybe once or twice.
Once you're done, click on End Recording here. Then you can share completed recordings with students as a published link they can easily access.
That's amazing, Bel. They can then use this recording over and over again every school year, right? That's seriously a genius hack.
Work smart, not hard. I love it.
Exactly. And in class, instead of just teaching, you have more time to facilitate discussions, learning through group work, and activities.
All of the good stuff.
Wow, we've covered so much today. We've tackled how to cut down prep time through templates, how to collaborate with others, how to use magic shortcuts, and how to try new ways of teaching through Canva.
Hope all these presentation hacks and resources help enrich your students' learning experience while also helping you discover some great hacks and ways to cut down on that prep time as an educator.
Remember to subscribe to get notified when more Canva content becomes available.
We've lined up a few videos here to continue your learning journey.
Thanks so much for watching and happy presenting.